congratulations to me. Jesus. I don't buy new car. Alright, welcome to Great Mind TV show. I remind your favorite host, Mr. Chikuma. You see the reason why I always advise young youth to venture into social media, to start doing social media content creating. You feel me? It's been just a year that I started doing this social media stuff, and right now I'm about to celebrate my new car. So guys, let's go. I want to show you guys the new car that I just bought right now. So guys, let's go. Come see my car. Jesus. No, wait, run for me, go run for you. Oh, I don't find you. I better show them. He shock you. Like this, now look like they show my own car. I don't show my own Benz. You see him? Oh my, oh, I don't find you.
What be this?
God,
Jesus.
See my car. Make I clean my car. See my car.
Blood of Jesus. See my head. They go inside this place.
See my car. Oh, make I just try that small. Thank you. Don't worry. Go run out for me. Go run out for you. You go buy your own before this.
You think they wise? You're a woman.
Big congrats to me. Big congrats. God, I thank you. I don't buy new car. God, thank you. I don't buy new car. I don't buy new car, my brother. Congratulations. Thank you. Cha. I don't buy new car. I don't buy new car. Joy too much. I don't buy new car. Oh, God, thank you, Lord. Hey, I don't buy new car. You see him? I don't buy new car. Thank you. Jesus. Like this now, we will go celebrate them.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Celebration with this. I don't buy new car. Everything are new. Everything for this car are new. Everything they new here.